What's up, guys? Welcome back to RWD status. I'm here again, sweating my balls off in sunny Florida. However, today is going to be an exciting day. I am officially getting rid of the RB25. Not that anything's wrong with it. It is actually for sale. If you guys are interested, let me know. It's a full Tomei build. Well, the head's a full Tomei build. Stock bottom end. A few other things. If you follow my build, you know. If not, you can check out the videos or just message me and ask. Super excited. Today's the day we're gonna start getting this whole RB30 swap underway. So before we actually get the RB30 swap in, we're gonna pull out the RB25 out of this thing, clear everything out of the engine bay, and then giving it a fresh coat of paint. For all of you guys who are not familiar with the build, we got the top mount exhaust manifold, forward-facing intake manifold with a Q45 throttle body, 2.5-inch intercooler piping, a treadstone intercooler, and a few other things in here. It also has Tomei cams, valve springs, retainers, valve guides, whole 9 yards, Tomei everything, and including head gasket, ARP head studs, and a ported head, professionally ported head. So, however, that's not the main thing here right now. The main thing is getting this out and getting this epic RB30 in, and really doing it the proper way. We went all out with this motor, and we're gonna make sure everything ends up proper and it's done right and doesn't blow up on the dyno, because that sucks.
Go back from this.
What happened?
This is, I feel like the doctor that's going to be, transplanting it, and once this motor's out, it's not going back in. So, I want to make sure that you're good that we pull this out. Seat time.
Yeah, I guess. All right, guys. However, I personally want to do the RB30 swap because it's been a year of my life that I've been building that damn motor and doing all this stuff. So I personally just feel like it's about that time for it to happen. Besides, I know that everybody here wants to see an RB30 S13 as much as I do. All right, we don't have that many S13s around. I mean, we have plenty of S13s. However, we don't have that many RB30 S13s. I have never seen one in my life. I barely see RB26 S13s around. And this is just a dream build, so I'm gonna make it happen. Super excited to do that, and I'm glad you guys are along for the ride. So if you want to buy this motor, let me know, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That'll be a big help. Thumbs up as well, that'll be cool. And follow our build, bro. That'll be cool.
Hold up.
We're gonna start off by taking this hood off. Obviously. Let's get one. Got the hood off. I can't wait to get the engine bay painted. It's gonna be all black most likely. I'm not sure. We'll find out. If you guys have any suggestions on what color I should paint my engine bay, feel free to leave a suggestion in the comment, man. That'll be pretty awesome. So let's get this going. So we got everything disassembled, everything removed for the most part, all the lines, turbo taken off, plumbing, exhaust removed, intercooler removed, radiator, everything is done. We have the whole engine harness sitting right here, wire specialties harness. We're about to just pull this thing out, and then and that's just the beginning of the adventure, guys.
It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad.
It's worth it for in the long run. It's worth it though.
Yeah, we're gonna have fresh RB30 in this thing.
Yeet.
Nice.
There she goes, guys. Hopefully one of you guys buys her. I don't know. Gotta figure something out, but she is one bad girl. Fuck yeah, guys, we got it out.
Crazy thing. This chassis is so fucking valuable right now. Anybody sees this, they're gonna be like, no motor. That means I can put anything I want in here.
And the body's completely done.
Yeah, the body's done.
Chassis suspension's completely done.
The car's worth like more with this fucking motor.
Not really.
No, it's not. It's
Probably worth less. Like right now, the car will probably go for like $6 grand.
Definitely.
And that, guys, it's how it's done. All right, let me show you guys what we got. So look at that. Perfect, full suspension, clean, wide body, S13, prepped and ready, no engine in there. You can put whatever you want in there right now. What would it be? That's what I want to know. If you had a 240 just like this, with a super clean engine bay, and you could put any motor that you wanted in there, what would it be?
It has an angle kit on it, and it has suspension done to it, and it's got wheels and
it's done.
Brake, what kind of brake do you have again? The hydro thing?
Yeah, inline hydro brake.
Brakes, big brakes. Chassis fully built.
What motor would you put in here?
Ah, bro, come on. Look at me. I drive an SC400. What do you think?
1UZ?
In all honesty, if I really could put anything in here, yeah, probably VH45 or 1UZ, or maybe like
2J.
I don't know, bro. It's a tough one, man.
Yeah.
You can try. Really can't.
The reason it's so tough is because a car like this is literally capable of almost any swap. You can damn near put a V12 in here if you wanted to, you know? You could just...
I was thinking that. But
any motor that you can literally put in, that you can think of, almost fits in here, you know what I mean? We can go with a 3-rotor or something like that. But I'm going RB30, guys. Yeah, I seriously want to know what you guys think, so just comment in the comment area and let me know what motor you would actually do for a wide body, completely built as far as suspension wise, S13. So, all right, I think that pretty much finishes it up for today. Got the motor out, transmission out, most of the harness. Now we're just gonna clean everything out, probably in the next video. Have everything removed out of here so I can clean up, and then we're gonna start removing all the stuff and get it nice and prepped for the stitch welding. All right, guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our Instagram at RWD status. So, don't forget to also check out SC Factory. He actually just launched his new website and a new product, which is an amazing SC product for SC400 manual swaps, and it's a patch harness. So go check that out, and we'll talk about it later on. But that's it for today, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Peace out, guys.